Okay, good evening. Let's start our class again. So, thank you, Franciscus. I received your email. Let me share screen. Okay, share screen, entire screen, share. Okay, oops, oops. Okay, I hope it works. Okay, email first. So, Francisco told me that there will be offline classes held on Saturday, 18 October. 18 October. 18 of, yes, 18 October. Okay. I have a problem because 18 October is the graduation ceremony for my campus, Institute of Technology in Tangerang Selatan. So I will not be able to deliver the course offline on this one. By the way, the university never told me about this thing, so I don't know. Anyway, so I just want to make sure my class will be online. My the online class will still be running. Okay, so that's for the 18. So I will not be able to deliver the class offline. The class will be my class will still be online. Okay, that's 18. And then Franciscus also told me about the what's this some error in the questions. Thank you very much. It will take some time for me to to, to edit the quiz. Okay, because I have to look for these two question out of like what 3,000, 4,000 questions. So that takes some times. But thank you. I will do it. I'm hoping in a couple of days I have some times. Time will be very limited for me right now. Okay. Okay. Don't share your entire screen. Okay. I will share entire screen anyway. So, uh, okay. The our course for today, I will switch from orange to what's that? To Python. There is okay this one. So I will switch from orange to Python. Oh, sorry, but the actual course is in this one. So basically, I or well sort of cover most of the orange stuff, but it's not because time is very limited, so it's difficult. So I will switch into Python. But this also be very. I have only like what 2 weeks. I think I have only two more meetings. So so I will try my best to cover most of the Python stuff. Okay, including TensorFlow and Keras. Okay, but most of the stuff is written here, so you can actually read this stuff in this particular course, the open course. But you have to do the exam in the your class, which is okay. Where is it? This one. Okay. Make sure your grade is okay. I will show the participants of this class. Okay. Kevin, Franciscus, Sudijuan, Arzidan, Ashifadia, Hamdan, Anissa, Gita, Petra, Ade, Santika, Delcio, Tentri. So make sure your name is on the list. If not, you will be in trouble because the mark that I will submit to Professor Wiranto is from this one. Okay, I will show you the mark. Hope I really hope you can pass like 80. Well, 70 is okay actually. So those with 80 is okay. 70, well, okay, is maybe B. But 80, 85 would be much better. Okay. So Gita, you need to do more exam. What else? Ades, okay, 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 okay. Yoshia, uh, and Gede Wira Pratama need more exam. I think this one is the Su Dejuan. Okay. Still 59. Please let the your friend Shu Dejuan, Kedewira Pratama, Yosia Victor Mahendra, who else? Gita Paramita, and okay, that's it. Okay, tell them to do the exam. You have plenty of time actually. You have like 1 month or so, or 2 months. I don't know. Depends on Professor Wiranto actually. We we have noise outside my house, so we are in big trouble. Uh, and what day is this? Okay, they are passing my house. Okay, so for playing with Python, there are several things we need to understand. First, I hope you have an account in Google Colab. Google Colab. Make sure you have. It's very easy. If you have your Google account, you can open access. You can access the account here in Google Colab. That's it. That's number one. Okay, you can read the getting started, the data science, machine learning, so you can read these things. You can also play around this thing. Okay, to play around these things, you can do something like this. For example, on this one, you can read and see the example of the program, and you can run this one. See, this is the previous, what's that? The previous graph visualization. Uh, make sure we see the graphs like this. You can run, and then you will get different results because this is random number. Okay, see, okay, so that's different. You can change the parameter here. You can change this number, all these things you can change and see the effect. Basically, that's how to learn things. Okay, so that's on the data science. Okay, on machine learning, we have many example here. How to save data, how to make interactive form, especially this one, loading data, uh, chart visualization data, BigQuery, and so on. So this is important. For example, we can click this one, and then I just do some random click here. Okay, you can show the code here. Okay, this is nothing. Oh, this is only remarks. So you have to do it one by one here. Okay, so when you reach this point, you need to import NumPy, and it will be known as NP, and pandas known as PED. Okay, you need to import those things, and then we need to create the populate the data array, and make the column name and so on, and run this one, and you have the data here, temperature and the activity. And then you can add the you can add new column to the data frame like this, and you can add to a column to the frame, and then you can specify the subset for the of the data frame. You can do something like that, and then you can specify uh, this is head, three head of the data, this is which one, and then whatever. So you can see something like that, and then you can let's sorry, you need to the code first. Okay, you can see this and run and read read the code. Okay, so that's how to learn. Okay, I encourage you to run all the example one by one and read the code. Okay, so actually, how to learn these things is basically read the code, run, and see the result. You can change things, you can change the parameter, you can change many things here, and see what happened by changing things. Okay, so that's the uh, how to play access Google Colab and then access Python. So it's not that difficult actually. Now the major difficulties will be this one. Okay, uh, this one. Loading the data, saving the data. So this is actually the major difficult one because we need to connect our code in Google Colab with Google storage, Google Cloud Storage. Okay, so we should be able to save, read our data file from Google Doc. Oh, sorry, Google Drive. Okay, so this is the important one. The other is okay, okay, but this one is the important one because you have to be able to analyze your own data. We cannot analyze based on like dummy data generated by our code. So in reality, you need to analyze your own data. So this is the important one. Okay, to do that, we need to understand that we need to import these things. Okay, Google Colab, and import the files here, and then using that you can upload the files. Okay, now you need to upload the file name, the length, byte, and so on. And but we need to, I think we need to set the our Google Drive to allow Google Colab to access. So basically, we need to set the drive API. So we need to set something in our Google Drive so we can mount the data from Google Drive to be able to be read by our code. Okay, so I will try to run this one. Okay, I will upload the data, user upload file name, length, name, byte. Okay, but let me see if I have something in my Google Drive. I don't know, I forgot. Google Drive, I will access my Google Drive. Okay, okay, home. Okay, so I have this data here, UMKM sample Bekasi. I can read this one. Let me see if I can read it. Open with Google Sheet. Okay, so this is actually my data. This is example. Okay, by the way, this one is real data. This is not dummy data. This is real data. So I got it from the ministry. So, but I only got like 1,000 of the small medium enterprises data. So it's so small, only 1,000. They have like 30 something million small medium enterprises data. So we can analyze things from this data. Okay, so this is real data. It's saved in Excel format. I want to be able to make sure to read this data correctly. Okay, so I will try to show you how to read the data using this, using Google Colab. Okay, close this one. So basically I have this one. So I put this data in my drive. My drive. Okay. So this is the drive. So this is the actual file. Okay. So I have several Google Colab notebook. Okay. So this thing maybe I will show you for the after Maghrib prayer, but I will regenerate the file anyway. So, okay, let me see how I can read this file. What is this? I forgot. Okay, so I will try to read this file. Okay, now run this one. I don't know. I forgot what it will show. Okay. Choose file. Oh, this is local. Okay. So this one is not using Google Drive. Okay. This one is using my local drive. Okay. Anyway, because it's local, I will try to look for my local data. Let me see if I can upload something. Okay, I have linear. I think I need to show you something here because it will upload to I think it will upload to Google Drive or something. Okay, this is my data here. Oops, I cannot make it bigger. Okay, so I have linear data, training data, and I have linear data for prediction. I have to show you these two because we will play around with these two. So this is linear training data. It looked like something like this. Basically, I have two column, one column called X, one column called Y. So I will upload this one. And then the other one is for prediction. I think I have two column as well. Okay, so I have two column as well. One called X, one called Y. And then some of the Y row has values and some has no values. Okay, so basically we can we can make a regression. We can try to forecast, to predict the value of Y, especially the last three row. Okay, the other four, basically we can compare the value that we predict and the actual value. What's the error? What the difference? Okay, so that's basically the idea. So oh yeah, by the way, if you play around with these things, we need to make dummy data first and make sure you know the answer. So if we play around with data science and those kind of stuff, we make simple dummy data and uh, we can we can predict, but we need to know the answer manually without any software or whatever. So we need to be able to know the answer. So I will use these two files later, especially later in after Maghrib prayer. Okay, I will try to upload this one, the linear training data, open. So it tells us that it saved the linear training data to linear training data XLS. Let me see if it is in my drive now. Nope. Nope, it's not in my drive. So I don't know where it's saved. Okay. So I don't know where it's stored. Okay. Now this one, this file download will invoke the browser download the file to your computer. So this one is downloading the file to my computer. What I need is upload the file to Google Drive. Basically, that's what I need. Okay. Or if not, you can upload the file and then analyze the file. This is upload the file and I don't know where it's stored. So I don't know where this file will be stored. It's uploaded somewhere in the memory of Google Colab on this one. And this one, we need I think we need to set the API. You can access files in number space, including Mountain View Drive, wrap around the API such as PyDrive 2 using native REST API. Okay. Okay, I think I need to okay. I have not done this for some time, so I forgot how to do these things. Okay, let me try this one. This one I don't have example.txt here. Oh, it download. Oh, okay. It opened a file called example.txt text and write some content in example.txt and download. So I download the example.txt. I think it's here. Example.txt is downloaded and it has some content here. So it's correct. Okay. So this is very simple. How to write something in a text file and download. That's it. So that's the only task of this simple script. But we really interested in the this Google Drive thing. Okay. Let me mounting Google Drive locally. What's a new file foo.txt in Google Drive. Okay. So import drive, mount drive, go to this one. Okay, let me go. Wow. I don't have access Google Drive from the my President University account. Okay. I think man, this getting tough. Okay. Sign in with Google. I think I need to sign. I don't know whether I can switch into different. Let me see. So I cannot create an account using my President University account. Let me see. If I sign out, I will sign out from the Google meeting. So I'm in trouble now. How can I? Okay. To be honest, I don't know. I haven't done this using President University account. I need to add another account. I don't know. Okay, let's just discuss because we have like a few minutes before I have to take Maghrib prayer, and then after that I have to think how to do these things. Or I can skip for a moment, but then I cannot access my Google Drive. Okay. Okay. How can I do it? Let me do it this way. Okay. This one to mount the content drive. If I use my normal Google account, it's very easy. This one is President University account, so I don't know. Granting access to connect to Google Drive. Continue. Continue. Seems to be working. Okay. Just need to just click this one. I hope it works. Okay. It works. It's mounted as /content/drive. Okay. So this is the two lines we need to add in our code. So the drive will be mounted in this path slash content slash drive. So uh, so this one, the first line is we create foo.text in my drive. It's called Hello Google Drive, and this one, the apostrophe cat slash content slash drive slash my drive slash foo Google foo.text show the content within the foo.text. Let me run this one. So it works. Hello Drive. Let me see if I can see it. Where is it? It's not here. Oh, this is the one. Foo.text. Okay. Let me open. Open with text editor. I never used this text editor before. Authorized text editor. Okay. Sign in to text editor. Continue. Can access, select all. Continue. Okay. Now we can access the, so it show, can I make it bigger? Okay. So it show Hello Google Drive. Okay. So it works. The code is work, and the code is quite simple actually. So we need to add this too. The first one from Google Colab import drive, drive.mount, the name of the path that my drive will be sitting, and then we can open the file. That means I can open the file of this one as well. umkm minus sample. The problem is I have space here, so I remove the space. I rename to make things easier for Python to read. So I remove all the space with minus, with dash. Okay. So hopefully it works. So we will play around these things. The other one is using PyDrive too. Should be able as well. I normally use this one actually to play around with things. Okay. Okay, we will break for like 15 minutes and then I will continue after that. Okay. Thank you very much. See you in 15 minutes. How can I stop presenting? Close. Okay.